boat ride party today, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Excuse, pardon the look. Just got up, took a shower, and I'm about to start getting ready, so I figured why not just do a vlogging vlog for y'all. Let's get into it. Okay, so the attire is basically swimwear. Like I said, it's a boat party or whatever, so this is the fit. I have a red bikini with the matching cover for it, and I bought this hat to pair it with, but they doesn't really match, and I hate when the colors don't really like intertwine, but I don't know, it might seem weird, it's cute, and I'm putting this over that fit. Then I'm gonna pair it with black slippers and black bag. I don't know which one I'm wearing, I think I'm having a cold, hence the reason why my voice is like this or whatever. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do my makeup. I think I want to do my makeup, and I'm gonna do some cluster lashes. So yeah, and I want to leave out by 10:30. It's now 9:25, so let's really get it. Also, y'all, if it seems as if I'm not happy, I am. It's just that I'm on my period, which is a super bummer for me because I hate being on my period, having to wear a swimsuit, because with wearing a swimsuit you're definitely gonna have to wear a tampon, and I hate wearing that shit. Like, I don't know for anyone out there, but I hate tampons. Hate tampons. But yeah, ever since the girlies on TikTok influenced me to wear my bikini the opposite way, as in, you know, that this part would have been the top part, this part is the bottom. Ever since the girlies on TikTok started wearing their bikinis like that, I started doing mine this way, and I never looked back. Period. Almost forgot my sunscreen. I'm gonna oil my body up. Period. Going to oil my body up with the TikTok girlies let me buy this as well, the Arabic Chukama perfume. I don't know, it's okay. It's not like how, if to me, how everyone is saying that it's head over heels. For me, it's not really head over heels, but it's whatever. It's whatever. To me, it smells like, I think I'm gonna do a TikTok review, or I'm gonna do a video review. It smells like something that I've smelled before, but I am trying to wrap my head around it, but I can't. I feel like when I was in primary school, my mom used to buy some like Avon products. I don't know if y'all remember Avon products. They had like bubble baths, body wash, lotion with the matching spray, body splash and stuff. Yeah, I feel like it smelled like a vanilla thingy from Avon. I'm not sure which one, but I bought 4, so I'm gonna do a review on them. Yeah, the review probably will be before this video or after, I'm not sure. I also feel like I'm all over the place with this video, y'all. Forgive me. So I'm just getting my moisture in, because you know the body has to look moisturized in the sun or whatever. Oh yeah, I was wondering, being that I turned the bikini other way, would it like look anyway, but it's not bad. It's still cute, still doing its thing, so this is what we're working with. Oh yeah, I did my hair a couple of days ago, y'all. It was straight when I did it this morning when I got up. I just decided to put some rods in it. Let's hope it turned out properly. Gosh, it's whatever. So it's cute out of it. I didn't want it to be too much and not too little. It's okay. But I do my edges. Then my makeup. Onto my cluster lashes. Lashes finished. Now onto the makeup, guys. I keep you not the time the guard just like what? Let me try doing a quick